Hello, I want to quickly go through a short tutorial on scaling. How to scale an object to sizes that you want. There are times you need to change the size of an object, either increase it or reduce it. And I want to show you how you can, uh, how you can scale an object just using factors of say 235 or say zero point 0.5, 0.2, 0.1, or how you can scale an object using references. Okay, assuming this is a square of dimension 2000 by 2000. Assuming we want to reduce the size of this square by half. We want to reduce the size by half. How do we do that? We go to scale, select scale, and then highlight what we want to scale. Okay. And then we choose the base. Let's say this is the point we want to be the base. Remember, we want to half, reduce the size by half. So the scale factor should just be zero point 0.5. Enter, and you see that he has scaled it from 2000 to 2000 down to 1005 by 1005. Okay, we can still do the same here. We want to scale this. We choose here, 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 and then we say enter. Okay, and we want to scale this by, increase the size twice. We just choose, let's say that we want this place to be the base point, and then I can say 2 is the scale factor. So you see that instead of 2000 by 2000, it's now 4000 by 4000 because we increase the scaling factor by 2. Okay. Now let me get back here. Now, assuming I want to change the dimension of this, not to maybe 15 or 2000 or 500, but to say 1031. You see that for this type of scaling, you reference is would help would be easier. Okay, because you're not scaling by, you're not increasing by half or by a quarter or by a third or reducing by such factors. So to be able to scale the dimension to 1031, the easiest is to use reference. And watch how I do it. You go to want to scale this, go to scale, select the entire object. This we select this point at the scale base point, and then this time we select reference because we don't want to use factor, we want to use reference. And once we select reference, we select the point of reference. And let's say that our point of reference should be from this point to this point. And then we select the 1031. Say enter. So you see, it has scaled to exactly 1031. So, and then we can repeat the same thing here. We want to scale this from 4000 to 1031 as well. So we go to scale again, choose this, choose this, choose this. Let's just choose everything basically. And then we'll choose, we say enter. And let's say also that our base point is still this point, and we're still using reference. We pick our reference, and then that okay. So the factor we now want to scale it to 1031 and just say enter. So we found out that this scaled to 1031, just like the same way that this is scaled to 1031. This is simple. Just watch it again and you'll get it. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe so that you'll be able to get my next video. Thank you for being part of this very short class.